Okay, so I'm going to add that form field for the year because it has to be a freshman, junior, sophomore, those type of things. I'm going to go do that now in my add student. I get to year. I'm going to go ahead and add an HTML comment, right? And then I'm going to come back and select. We want the IDs to still say year. In case we want to play around with this in via JavaScript, we still want all the things that make the form work. So we want, oops, I don't want to take that away. I want to leave it. We want all those things to look like they should look, okay? But we can put now, you remember from our form perspective, we can put freshman, and we're going to make this one selected. It's going to take me a second. Let's go ahead and select it by default. And we put four of them there. And I'm going to come along and fix them. Sophomore. Actually, we don't want these to all be selected, right? And then junior. Get rid of selected here. And junior. This comes from a cartoon when we were kids. Senior. Get rid of this. Type senior again. And voila. And that works, right? Yes. I wanted to show you one little thing real quick with this. You want a selected, sure. But in the submit, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log this dot student real quick. I want to show you something really, really fast. Okay. So we get to the add page and I'm going to put a student ID here and put a name here and put a major here. I'm skipping that and I'm going to come back to it. Look at the year. By default, it does not actually have it. It should, by selecting it, automatically put it in there. Okay? It's not. Okay? What you could do is when you go back to your form, I'm trying to remember where the form is. Here, when you go to put in the year, you could put freshman. Watch this. Right? Now I go put everything in except for that and bang, right? And it will in fact get freshmen, right? And that's the simple thing. That's putting the default value. That's what these are, default values. You can put anything you want here. Enter your SID, blah, blah, blah. SID is invalid, what have you. Um, all sorts of things. But by using the reactive forms, we can actually modify things right on demand, and that's what we're doing here. All right, we're going to come back through. Um, and when we come back through, we're going to use validation, and we're going to color the pages, very similar to what we did with the SID already in use. We're going to come and color and put the notes and say what's wrong and those type of things in there, and just make it more effective for the user. So most of the reason why we do validation on the client side is to help the user get towards putting in correct input. And so that's what we'll be working towards. All right, thank you. If you have any questions, please contact me at imruth@roosevelt.edu.